In front of me is OPPO K10x, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Setting up screen lock is one of the most important things you should do as device user to protect all of your data, all of your photos, and basically everything you have on your phone. If you want to set it up on this OPPO, start by going into Settings and scrolling a tiny bit to hit Security and Privacy section. Now scroll again to hit Device Unlock. Select Screen Lock and pick one of those password types: Numeric, Alphanumeric, or pattern. Wherever you decided, you need to wait 5 seconds to continue and then select Next in Important Notice pop-up. Sorry, misclick. Now if you change your mind, don't worry, you don't have to go back. Just tap on Use a different password type and tap on one of those. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, alphanumeric, all pattern. Now you can finally create it and repeat it to confirm it. If you want to set up fingerprint unlock right away, hit enable in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't, select cancel. So now when I go back, turn off my screen and switch it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!